Guys, in this video, we are going to see what is digital input and output in PLC. Don't skip the video. 1. Digital inputs. Digital inputs are typically connected to external devices such as sensors, switches, or other control devices. The status of digital input variables is used in the PLC's logic program, written in ladder logic, function block diagrams, etc., to control the operation of the system. The program specifies how the PLC should respond based on the states of the digital inputs. Proximity sensors, limit switches, push buttons, microswitches, emergency stop buttons. These are just a few examples of digital input devices commonly used with PLCs. The choice of input device depends on the specific requirements of the control system and the nature of the process being monitored or controlled. These devices provide electrical signals to the PLC, indicating the state of the process being monitored. Digital inputs can detect two states: on or off, high or low, true or false. When a digital input is active, on or true, it indicates that the associated external device is in one state, and when it's inactive, off or false, it indicates the opposite state. 2. Digital outputs. Digital outputs in a PLC are connected to external devices such as motors, valves, solenoids, or indicator lights. The PLC controls the operation of these devices by activating or deactivating the digital outputs. The digital outputs can be used to turn devices on or off, open or close valves, start or stop motors, and perform various other control functions. Motor starters for motors, solenoid valves for actuators, indicator devices, heaters or heating elements, and other field devices. These are just a few examples of digital output devices commonly used with PLCs. The choice of output device depends on the specific requirements of the control system and the nature of the process being controlled. Like digital inputs, digital outputs also have two states: on or off. The digital outputs mostly used for triggering the field devices to turn on or off. When a digital output variable is set, on or true, the PLC sends an electrical signal, voltage or current, to the corresponding output terminal, activating the external device connected to it.